Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are going to make a healthy snack in our blender. This is a pretend smoothie maker playset. There's a little box for the fruit and veggies. I see an apple and some leafy greens. I wonder if the rest of the food is in the bottom of the box. Oh, and look, it's one of the kittens. Hello, Poe. Are you going to make smoothies with us today? We opened up the box and at the very bottom there was this white box. I think this is where the rest of the fruit and vegetables are. Let's have a look together. And they're all wrapped up nicely. And it looks like there's even an extra cup. Something's inside the cup. I think it's the ice. There are 2 pretend ice cubes. We already have a yellow cup. Let's see what color this cup is. It's orange. And I see a picture of a banana, an orange, and an apple. And we also have another straw. But this straw is just pretend. There's no hole inside of it. It's just solid wood. This is so exciting. It's like opening little gifts. And this is milk. And moo, it's a cow. I like to use oat milk or organic almond milk. It's easier on my stomach. Oh, and look who's back to create some mischief. Where's your sister, Poe? She must be having a nap. Now this looks like some fruit slices. Strawberries. And oranges. And is there something different on this side? It's another apple. Oh, careful, Poe. Oh, you like this apple, do you? Don't chew on it. Aw, hello. Hello. Oh, and now Poe is playing with the cup. Oh, don't chew. Oh, don't chew the straw. It's wooden. You're going to put teeth marks in it. Then it's not going to look nice anymore. No chewing on toys. And now we have another set of fruit, but this time it's full oranges. The other one was sliced. We have 2 oranges and full strawberries to slice as well. And we have 2 of them. And we have one last little gift to open. What is it, Poe? Oh, ooh, I love kiwi. Fresh fruit is so yummy. And some, what is this? What is this? These look like banana slices. Don't chew those. And we got 2 of each. Banana. Oh, no, don't. Oh, no. Oh, she put a little mark in it. Oh, no. No, we've got to be nice to the toys. Oh, no, you're going to scratch that. Be nice, Poe. You're being naughty. Oh, she just wants some little pets right now. Oh, hello. Oh, nice. Oh, don't. Oh, we don't want you to chew that straw. Let's take that out. So she can't chew those. Now we're ready to, oh, careful. Now we're ready to make our smoothie. I love smoothies. They taste so good and they're so fun to make with the kids. So here is the top part of our blender. Now, this is a toy. So it says, please do not pour liquid into the blender. So we can't put any real water or milk or liquid into this toy. It's just for pretend. So now we get to decide what type of smoothie we want to make. There are classic smoothies like, oh, no biting, strawberry banana. Oh, don't bite the toys, Poe. Clean and green, apple crisp, and we have summer specials, orange creamsicle, kiwi strawberry, and fruit paradise. I think I'm going to make the fruit paradise. And we have to start with apples. Okay, do you see where the apples are in our little, it's a refrigerator. And we have our tongs. And we'll pull out an apple. And it needs to be sliced. And that's why the set came with a little pretend knife. So we will slice the apple in half. Oh, there we go. Now let's put it into the blender. We'll take off the lid. 1 slice of apple, 2 slices of apple. Next is some kiwi. So let's take some kiwi out of the refrigerator with our tongs, and then we will slice it because it's 2 pieces that are stuck together, and we need our knife. And in the kiwi goes to the blender. And the last ingredient in our smoothie is an orange. So let's get the oranges. Oh, we don't need the knife, we need the tongs. And, oh, actually, let's just grab the orange slice. Move the banana over and pop that in our smoothie. Now, I always like to add some greens to my smoothie. Sometimes I add some celery, some spinach, and it just gives a little bit of extra healthy nutrition to our smoothie. So we'll put the lid on and ready to blend it up. We push the button down. Well, the blender didn't work, so I went and looked at the bottom, and I needed to put some batteries in. Mom or Dad can help you with that, or a responsible adult. And I turned it to the on. See, that's off. And now our blender should work. Let's give it a try. Oh, and look, it's actually spinning. What's that, Poe? Oh, isn't that cool? Let's get a closer look. And we pretend that it's blending and blending and blending until it's a nice smooth drink. And now our smoothie's all blended. We'll pour it into the cup. And we can add our little straw as long as the kitten she likes to chew these straws. And we can put our cup, comes with its little green tray. And then you can serve it to your favorite person, or even keep it for yourself and just pretend. Now let's go blend a real smoothie.